Alright, hello everyone and welcome back. So this is a watch list video for next week. So if you didn't watch the previous video, it would have been Trade Talk, Pippin and Easy with Connor, my trading buddy from Tasmania. We went into detail about what we're looking at. EURCAD featured as well, and I'll talk about that more in this video, but he also went into detail, Connor did, at the end of the video about physical gold and how it's different, than in this marketplace here that we trade on. So it was interesting points raised. I'll leave a link in the description as well. Connor's got an economics background. I actually don't. My background is sports science and that sort of thing, so it's not economics. So I explain my background in more detail on my LinkedIn, so just search for Scott Andrews. The profile picture for YouTube is the same on my LinkedIn, same on Instagram, same on Facebook, same on everything. If you do add me, don't try and sell me something. Please don't do that. So I will just, be polite about it. I just like talking trading. I don't, you know what I mean? Don't be obnoxious, because I get a lot of that already, and I quickly ascertain what's going on. If you're a crazy person, and I just want to be interacting with you, so thank you. Recently it's been alright though. I haven't had many. An interesting gentleman on LinkedIn asked me if I wanted to invest $100 million with him, and I felt flattered, and wondered why he thought I was doing that, and I wonder how successful he is soliciting people for $100 million casually on LinkedIn. So, I mean, really to do that, to have a diversified portfolio, I mean, we're talking someone who's got hundreds of millions of dollars. Do you think they're going to be tolerating, being accosted on LinkedIn? This is crazy. I tried to explain this to him, and he just, kept saying the same message, so it was hilarious. But anyway, so back to it, EURCAD. So first off, I like to start with a weekly. So it is, it's a little choppy, but definitely downward momentum. So I haven't actually drawn in the support and resistance lines. We'll do it on the daily chart. So I don't know what. Okay, so it's a pretty tight spread. I don't actually think I've traded the EURCAD before, to be honest. So we'll go here and we'll zoom out a little bit, and we'll just sort of see. I do like the weekly, because the weekly gives me a little more time, so I'll do that. I'll just do some major sort of, and I like these solid. I like these solid because when I enter a trade, they're like this. So let's make it solid. Can I work this out? There we go. Okay. So we've got up here a couple touches. You really, if you're new to trading, you really want to learn and understand support and resistance, and you want to draw them on the chart and all that sort of stuff. So you just look for, I like for the tops and the bottoms to start. So this is obviously all-time high back in 2008 at 1.71 on the EURCAD. And what about here? This looks like a bit of a turning point. Maybe not. Maybe not. Here's a bit better. And you want like 200 to 300 pips, at least 200 pips between the level too. So now I did work today, and it was around 43 degrees Celsius at the airport. And that was in the shade. I think it got to like 42 point something. So out in the sun, it would have been mid 50s. So that's like, I think it's like 120 degrees Fahrenheit. So I worked till like 2:30 in the afternoon. Started pretty early. I still don't feel fantastic. Had a great sleep last night. I really want to emphasize, like, if you get like over 6 hours sleep, I just feel so much better. It's hard to do sometimes, but really, you sort of forget how much better you feel after a good night's sleep. And I strongly encourage you, if you don't have to stay up, if it's not essential, but if you do sort of be sleep deprived for most of the week, try and just get a little more sleep on the weekend or when you can. My body felt a lot better for it. So until I worked, and then I went to the gym before because I knew it was too hot after work to want to go, and I would not have gone to the gym after work. That would have been inappropriate. Anyway, so It's pretty choppy and ugly, isn't it? All right, there's a level there. Yeah, see how it's like 1, 2, bam, bam. It's like a zone, so it came through. It's not an exact science. Okay, so it's open to interpretation, but so we are sort of approaching it to a degree. We are sort of approaching it. I don't disregard it, but it's not like the end of the world. So we'll see. We'll see. But there has been some points where it has bounced, and a few times down here. But I'll pay attention to it. I want to see what it does on Monday, and we'll sort of go from there. No clear entry really. Yeah, but EURCAD short, and I was talking to a couple people on LinkedIn earlier today. Forgot to mention EURCAD, so I don't know. I'll post this on LinkedIn as well, so please give it a watch. One gentleman was talking about pound, yen. I forgot I did close that out. I did actually close that out. I hit one of my targets, so that's closed out. He was talking about pound, yen short. I don't know about that, and Aussie dollar long. So let's see what the Aussie dollar is doing. I don't understand how you sort of think. I mean, look, okay, so I guess the thesis R gets down to 70. Okay, I see, yeah. My zone's down to 69, so 69 to 83. Okay, so not quite. We'll see. I mean, my thesis is short on the Aussie dollar. Shorts. I mean, down to 60, whatever, mid 60s. It's not fundamentally, and technically, it's bad. So, okay. So I'm looking at with the Aussie dollar. I'm going to end the video now. That was the EURCAD trade idea. So, meanwhile, I just straight up short. I'd like it to get through there potentially, and then just give me another candle like this, like that. That'd be great. So it's nice, sort of consolidated. If you're going to trickle down on Tuesday, Monday, I don't like to take trades. I don't. So this will be taken on the prop trading account, on the MEX account actually. So I'll be firing that up. Yeah. And it's looking like I'll be going to China on the 13th of February as well. So I am going to go over there. It's working with the Olympic team. So it's paying very well. It's tax free. I still will be able to trade. I will be uploading stuff. So not about what I'm doing in China, because I'm not allowed to share much of that. I have some confidentiality stuff. So thumbs up. Well, so I'll be doing that. I'll have to get like a VPS, because I think they ban or they block a lot of like Western social media, so I'm going to have to sort that out. Because obviously I want to talk to people in the outside world, and I want to share things on YouTube because I enjoy doing that. So yeah, that's about it, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye for now, and have a great rest of the weekend. Bye.